Good evening, dear children. How are you all? Yes, you all are good. Very good, children. So, what is our today's class? Yes, this is class 2 of mathematics. Okay, children? Very good. So, children, let's start our chapter number 1, looking back. And today we are going to do its part 2. So, are you all ready? Very good. So, let's see our contents. And our contents are, yes, to understand before, after and between. And next one is comparison between numbers up to 100. Okay, children. So our first topic is to understand before, after and between. So children, can you tell me what do you understand by the before, after and between? Yes, anyone? Yes, all are? Very good. Yes, children. So before we start the questioning, I want to tell you a short story. Okay, children? Ready you all? Very good. So let's see, children. Here are 3 students, Aman, Riya and Khushi. Okay, they are the 3 students. Their name is Aman, Riya and Khushi are waiting for the school bus at bus stop. Okay, Aman, Riya and Khushi जो है वो स्कूल जाने के लिए बस स्टॉप पर बस का वेट कर रहे हैं. Okay, so Aman comes first, then Riya and then comes Khushi. Okay, children, सबसे पहले कौन आया? Aman, then Riya and then Khushi. Okay, so they are standing like that. Its position is first, then second and third. Or we can also say that Aman is a stand before Riya and Khushi stood after the Riya. Yes, children, because something comes first or something comes earlier is called before, and something comes later or next is called after, and something is in center. Okay, Riya is in center. So what is the position of Riya? Riya is in between. Right, children? Very good. Now, children, can you tell me the positions of Aman, Riya and Khushi? Yes, Riya is in center. So Riya is in between. Very good. And what is the position of Aman? Aman comes first or earlier. So Aman is stood before Riya. Very good. And what is the position of Khushi? So Khushi stood after Riya. Very good. So here, according to this, their position is between. Aman's position is before. Khushi's position is after. And what is the position of Riya? Yes, Riya is in center or between. Very good. So children, I hope all you are cleared before, after and between. Very good. Now, next. Yes, children, do you all know the countings? Yes, which is started from 1. Right, children? But see, here is an all, remember that if we are showing the number on a number line, we always and always started from 0. Okay, children? हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं नंबर लाइंस पर नंबर्स को लिखते हैं तो 0 से. ओके, देन 1, देन 2, देन 3 एंड सो ऑन. ओके चिल्ड्रन, वेरी गुड. नाउ सी चिल्ड्रन, हियर आई हाईलाइटिंग द नंबर 5 एंड आई वांट टू आस्क यू दैट which number comes before 5 and after 5? Yes, tell me children, which numbers you are showing here? Yes, number 4. So number 4 comes earlier, right? 4 comes earlier. So we can say that 4 is before 5. And which number is going to letter? Yes, this number is 6. So we can say 6 comes after 5. Right, children? Very good. So here again I given you a number 13. Yes, children? See, is in your slide? Yes, children? Now tell me which number comes before 13? It is number 12. Very good. And which number comes after 13? Yes, is this 14. Right, children? So I hope all you are understood the concept of before, after and between. Okay? रेंडमली आपको कोई भी नंबर देकर हम आपसे पूछ सकते हैं, टीचर आपसे पूछ सकता है या कोई भी आपसे पूछ सकता है कि which number comes before, after and between. Okay? For that you have to clear your concept on before, after and between. And I hope it is cleared. Yes? Very good. So let's see our questions on before. Okay? So see here, I write a question mark, then I write number 15, which means I want to ask you that which number comes before 15 and which number comes before 55. Yes, think about it. Ready? Ready for the answering? Very good. Now tell me, children, which number comes before 15? Yes, 14. And which number comes before 55? 54. Very good. Very good, children. Now, our next question on after. Got it, children? So, see here. Here I put a question mark after 23 and next question mark after 89. है ना, मैंने बाद में लगाया हुआ है, right? Now, tell me, children, which number comes after 23? Yes, 24. Very good. And which number comes after 89? Yes, is this 90? Very good. Very good, children. Now, next is in between. So, see, children, here I put a question mark in between of 56 and 58. Now, tell me, children, which number comes here? Yes, number 57. Very good. So 57 comes in center or in between the number 56 and 58. Right? Counting is it? 56, then 57, then 58. So I hope all you are cleared and doing well. Yes, children? So let's begin our next topic. It is comparison. Okay, children? So first we have to understand what is the meaning of comparison. Yes, children? So see here, comparing two numbers means finding out whether one number is greater than or less than or equal to the other number. Okay? Comparison का मीनिंग ये होता है कि हम किसी चीज़ को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. कंपैरिजन आपने भी की होगी. आप भी चॉकलेट्स को लेकर आप सोचते हैं ना कि जो छोटी सी कैंडी होती है वो कैसी है? छोटी है. और एक जो हमारा कैडबरी का पैक रहता है वो कैसा रहेगा? बड़ा रहेगा. सो कैडबरी पैक इज ग्रेटर देन द कैंडी, राइट? और वी कैन से कैंडी इज लेस देन द कैडबरी पैक. राइट चिल्ड्रन? वेरी गुड. और अगर आपने 2 सेम कैंडीज ले ली तो वो क्या होंगे? दोनों कैंडीज का कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो वो कैसे होंगे साइज में? इक्वल, राइट? अगर हमने कैडबरी का 50-50 वाला पैक लिया है तो वो दोनों कंपैरिजन में कैसे होंगे? इक्वल. राइट चिल्ड्रन? वेरी गुड. सो जैसे अब आपने यहाँ पर कंपैरिजन का ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन और इक्वल हमने यहाँ पर क्लियर किया है कॉन्सेप्ट, उसी चीज़ को अब हम किस में सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे? मैथ्स में. ओके. बट मैथ्स में इसे करने के लिए हम कुछ सिंबल्स का यूज़ करते हैं, है ना? अगर हमें नंबर्स को ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन और इक्वल बताना है तो उसके लिए हम किसका यूज़ करते हैं? सिंबल्स का यूज़ करते हैं. सो लेट्स सी आवर सिंबल्स. सी हियर, ग्रेटर देन. ओके, आवर फर्स्ट साइन इज शोज ग्रेटर. सो अगर हमें ये शो करना है कि कोई नंबर ग्रेटर है तो हमें इस साइन का यूज़ करना होगा. वेयर फर्स्ट जो 2 पॉइंट्स रहेंगे वो कैसे होंगे? ओपन एंडेड. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज क्लोज एंडेड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट लेस देन। अगर हमें कोई नंबर बताना है कि छोटा है तो उसके लिए हम किसका साइन यूज़ करेंगे? इस साइन को यूज़ करेंगे, जिसका फर्स्ट पॉइंट जो रहेगा वो कैसा रहेगा? एंडेड रहेगा, क्लोज एंडेड रहेगा। और जो नेक्स्ट 2 पॉइंट्स रहेंगे वो कैसे रहेंगे? ओपन एंडेड रहेंगे। कैसे रहेंगे चिल्ड्रन? ओपन एंडेड रहेंगे। ओके, सी if we want to say that 1 is less than 2, 1 is less than 2, so which sign you have to use? Yes, less than. And if we or we say 2 is greater than 1, right? 1 2 से छोटा है या 2 1 से बड़ा है, बात तो वही हुई। लेकिन जब हमने वहाँ पर बातों को छोड़ा तो हम वहाँ पर किसका साइन लगाएंगे? वी से 2 इज ग्रेटर देन 1, सो हम किसका साइन लगाएंगे? ग्रेटर का साइन लगाएंगे। ओके, एंड इफ आई गिवन यू अ नंबर 5 and 5, so you have to put the sign equal, because हम 5 और 5 दोनों कैसे हैं? इक्वल है। 1 and 1 इक्वल, 2 and 2 इक्वल। Okay children, so are you all ready? Very good. See here, let's use the symbols. Now children, here first number is 37 and next number is 80. Now listen very carefully. Here 80 is greater than 37. हम 80 को किससे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं? 37 से. So 80 is greater than 37. So here we put the sign less than. 37 is less than 80. 37 is less than 80. Very good. Now 61. 61 is greater than 8. 61 is greater than 8. So here open-ended mouth is with 61 and close-ended mouth is with 8. Yes. So here 61 is greater than 8. Here 3 and here also 3. So what sign? This is equal because 3 is equals to 3. Okay children, तो इस तरह से आप कोई भी दो नंबर आपको दिया जाए और आपसे पूछा जाए तो आपको जो साइन ऐड करने हैं वो आपको ध्यान रखना है. Okay, so let's do a practice on a practice sheet. Are you all ready? Very good. See here, 35 and 52. What we say children? 35 is greater than 52. और 35 is less than 52. Yes children, 35 is less than 52. तो हमने इसका क्लोज एंड पॉइंट कहाँ रखा है? लेसर नंबर के सामने, राइट? वेरी गुड. नाउ नेक्स्ट, 40 is less than 74 और 40 is greater than 74. Yes children, 40 is less than 74. So how we write a close-ended point with 40 and open-ended point with 74. Very good. Now next, 45 and 30. So number 45 is greater than 30 or 45 is lesser than 30? Yes, 45 is greater than 30. Very good. So क्या होगा? Open-ended point आएगा या close-ended? Yes, open-ended with 45. Yes, and close-ended with 30. Okay children, very good. Now next number 4, 84 and 77. Now tell me, 84 is greater than 77? Yes, very good. So which sign you have to show here? Open-ended with 84. Very good. Now here 38 and 38. 38 is greater than 38? No. 38 is less than 38? No. 38 is equals to 38? Yes. So, which sign? Equals to. Very good. Now, 51 and 39. So, 51 is less than 39? No. 51 is equals to 39? No. 51 is greater than 39. So, open-ended mouth with 51. Very good. So, I hope all you are understood numbers before, after and between, comparison with symbols. Yes, children? Very good. So, children, till then, thank you. Take care. keep practicing at your home. Bye bye.